So guys, for today's video guys, I will be discussing very quick only guys. Why today is the right time guys to join the hype on Korean Pokemon cards. Why? Because guys, right now actually the value of the Japanese and English versions were really high. So imagine every collector seeing the value of their favorite Pokemon card soaring up. Okay, so they will find another way to collect. And today guys, the perfect time. And you're very lucky to watch this video because you're still early in the Korean market. Actually guys, the value of this box is half the price of the Japanese or English versions. So this is Mega Evolution and these original Pokemon cards guys, which we open guys. You can check our previous videos on that, and you can see the value of the value and also the quality of the cards is really nice. I got also my first ultra rare card in Korean packs. Actually the hits is almost the same based on the Japanese versions because the naming, the naming and the design of the illustration rares and everything is almost the same guys of Japanese versions. You can see the comparison guys in my previous video, and that's one of the reason why you need to buy Korean Pokemon right now. So you need to join the hype before it's too late guys. I'm not telling you guys this because I'm selling Korean Pokemon cards. No. You do your own research, check the value of the Korean packs, Korean Pokemon cards versus Japanese and English versions, and you will see guys the difference. This is the main reason guys. That's why the scalpers on Japanese and English Pokemon cards never discuss this because they don't want this to happen. They don't want the people to transfer to Korean Pokemon cards. Actually, Korean Pokemon cards are still very new and you're still early guys in the market. See, so I bought some good new sets. So I know that one of the best sets right now guys is the White Flare and Black Bolt. This one is the best set right now. Why? Because majority of the packs guys containing card with the Master Ball, and then also the holo card itself is really expensive, so it's really nice. And then the SAR is extremely rare and extremely nice guys. You can check my other videos on that. And then we also got, of course, Paradise Dragona. I bought this because it's very cheap. It's very cheap right now guys, and it's so underrated. So you can check guys a card list before you buy a booster pack or box guys. You need to check first the card list. Do not buy immediately because you like it or because it's a new set. You check first the card list, and of course you check the value of each card. Sorry. So for example guys, this new Heatwave set, actually I bought this. The reason being is the top most expensive card of this, which is the Cinchas Garchomp, which you also have, the SAR Cinchas Garchomp, is very expensive right now. So imagine if you got that card, it will be sellable in the near future. Right now, it's not good to sell Korean cards because it's still cheap. And you don't want to sell your valuable cards in a very cheap price. So we already opened a lot of packs guys, as you can see here, and we opened it and we put it in the video just for all of you, so you can check that out. So I made this video guys for your awareness as well and for your informations as well. So I would like to encourage you guys to join me and because I want you to become successful also in your Pokemon business. Or if for example you are a collector, I want you to collect every beautiful cards in just affordable price. I don't want the overpriced Pokemon cards which they are selling in extremely high value. Imagine guys the Korean 151 set. So one box of Korean 151 is only 200 ringgit. And that one guys in English version is I think 1,000 ringgit. So it's times 5 guys. Imagine if you're buying the Pokemon card for the same quality for times 5. Imagine, and of course we know also Korean is very popular. We know already the K-drama, K-pop. They are very, very, very famous. And what if, guys? What if one of the superstar, Korean superstar, will make this happen? Will boom the Pokemon industry. I think it's already bigger. It's already starting, guys. I think it's already starting. But what if they give more time on that? Imagine what will happen, guys, to the Korean Pokemon industry. It will boom like the Japanese industry, guys. And it will give us a lot of opportunity in the near future. So it's up to you guys. I'm not forcing you to believe me. I'm not forcing you guys to invest in Korean Pokemon cards. But I want you to do your own research, check the value of the cards, check the value of the boxes, check the Pokemon cards, check my previous videos, watch my previous videos, guys, and decide on your own if you will join or not. So that's all, guys, for today's video, guys. But before we end, I would like to show some of my most expensive and some of my most valuable cards here in Korean Pokemon journey. So let me show to you. Hey guys, we're back and we're here in my set. So I have this set, and this is one of my most ultimate rare card, ultra rare card, guys, which we got from the Heatwave set. I'm really, lucky on the Heatwave set. So you see the quality, guys, of this ultra rare card is extremely great. Okay. Also, this is the one I'm telling you, guys, the Master Ball. Sorry, there's no light, so it need to have light so you can see that Master Balls. Yeah, you see it. So it's shining when there's a light. So Lapras, you can see, guys, the quality of the illustration rares is also nice. The printing, the definition of the illustration rare, and of course the SARs. You can see, guys, the texture is super insane, guys. Okay, sorry for my camera, but I just want you to show my extreme rare card. So I pulled this one, guys, in the Heatwave set, and this one is costing around 1,000 ringgit or nearly 200 USD, guys. Imagine if you pull this one, then you're very lucky as well. So that's all, guys, and see you again, guys, on the next video, guys. I hope you learned something, and I hope, guys, that you also support Korean Pokemon cards and Korean Pokemon industry. It's already booming, okay, and it will become more famous someday. So that's all, guys, for today. Please subscribe, guys. Thank you so much. God bless, and see you on the next one.